Today, you will learn what to do if you lost your Learner Portal password. Are you having trouble logging into your account? Because you forgot your password? Here is what you need to do. Click on Forgot Your Password. Type in your username and email address. And click Reset Password. You will now be sent a reset link to your email address. Log on to your email account and look for the password reset email in your inbox. Click on the reset link in the message. This will now redirect you to the area where you can reset your password. Start typing in your new password. Make sure your password is strong by adding uppercase letters, adding numbers, and adding punctuation marks. Now, just retype your password. And then save your password by clicking on the Change My Password button. You can now log on to your account using your new password. Make sure you don't forget it again. And this concludes our presentation.